Hey, what's going on, guys? We are standing out front of 314 Evening Canyon today in the exclusive community of Short Cliffs here in Corona del Mar. This one's special. It's listed for $12.5 million.
Guys, we are constantly trying to bring you guys the best of the best properties in Newport Beach. This one's no different, listed by Valia Properties. Let's go inside and take a look. I'm excited about this one, man. Yeah,
It's a nice one.
Brand new construction, 2024.
Yes.
6 bed, 7 bath, 2 bonus rooms, and an office.
We got an office down here.
Yeah, let's check out this office. You obviously have the whole house surround sound, which is a nice feature. Higher ceilings. And you actually have a closet here, so if you want to turn this into a bedroom, you could.
Yeah. A lot of natural light. You got, a couple doors going outside, which is great. Access to the front.
I love that little outdoor lounge area. I also love the darker features around the windows and the doors.
What do we got going on here?
Ooh, want to go for a ride? Got a nice elevator.
It's a beautiful elevator.
And then you got a main level bedroom right here too, which is really nice.
Yeah.
I think each of the bedrooms has its own bathroom too. They're all en suite.
Yeah, they are. Love the finishes, the tile work, looks really nice and light and bright. Got natural wood tones, warm tones, very nice.
It's got a good mix. Like you got those newer, relevant, warmer tones, but you have those darker, bolder, masculine features as well with the black. It's a great mix. Cool dining area. I love this fixture. And I love the wallpaper.
They got skylights in here too,
Very
which is
trendy.
beautiful. It's very nice. It says textured wall.
It's slightly textured,
Slightly textured.
Yeah, I know you like that.
I do, that's nice. Wallpaper's coming back.
It is coming back. Yeah.
Very
Great
nice.
space. Love the high ceilings. Got a wine cellar here underneath the stairs. Great use of space. Beautiful. Nice and open.
This is
You hear the
gorgeous.
fountain outside.
It's beautiful. I mean, the way that they have the hedges already set up there too.
Nice and private.
And also, I know that the view is protected from these homes here as well.
That's something really notable, yeah. So the views behind the property are all protected because those homes can't build higher than they already are. I love it. It's super open. The pocket doors create that seamless indoor-outdoor feeling. So if you're entertaining, you don't feel so tight. Beautiful kitchen, huge island, gorgeous appliances, tons of cabinet space. It's awesome.
And they managed to fit a pool in here.
You know, I'm glad there's a pool here because the last couple of videos we made on these ultra luxury properties, the ones that don't have a pool, the viewers comment like, I'm not paying $20 million for a home without a pool. And so this one's $12.5 million, and here's your pool, and here's your beautiful spa. And I love the fountain feature too. It really does create that private feel. You feel like you're in your own sanctuary. And it's a beautiful day to be previewing homes in Orange County in Corona del Mar. So this is one of the bonus rooms off the living area. I love the barn doors to create that privacy. It's almost like I feel like a lounge.
Yeah, it's like, I mean, they got it as a game room staged here.
Yeah.
You could do like a little lounge. It could be another study or a private office as well that you can close off.
Yeah, I actually like this potentially as a private office with access to the living space if you need that bedroom in the front.
Yeah, it's very nice. I'm digging this actual heat coming off of here too.
I feel it from here. Yeah, it definitely
This is
works.
definitely the trend right now too. People are getting rid of the normal fireplaces and they're doing these.
Yeah, they're cleaner, they're easier. You hit a switch, right? And a little bit about the area. So although you feel like you're kind of in your own enclave here and you're away from everything, you're actually close to everything that you would need. So, I mean, if you were to go south on PCH, you've got Crystal Cove, you've got hiking, you've got dining, you've got shopping.
You got Pelican Hill, you
got
got golf.
Yep. And
Fashion Island is up the way. You hit the village right here as well. You're literally minutes from the village all here. There's shopping, there's restaurants, there's bars, there's Pilates, there's workout gyms.
Yep, groceries, all that stuff. And then you've got private beach access in this community to Third Beach.
That's Short Cliffs is one of the best communities. They rarely come up for sale here. I mean, there's only 4 on the market now. They're going from 49 million to about 5 million right now.
Yeah.
So this one's kind of right in the middle. This one's got it all though.
And this one has amazing ocean views from the second level, and there's also a rooftop deck that we're going to show you that's really cool. And fun fact about the rooftop deck, so 24 feet is as high as they can go for these properties.
Community.
And so for them to be able to add that rooftop deck, they actually had to lower the pad, which means they actually dug into the ground and sank the entire home when they rebuilt it so they could actually have more space on top for a rooftop deck. So we're gonna show you guys that, so don't go anywhere. This rooftop deck is fire.
And this kitchen, entertainer's dream. Check this thing out. Look at the size of this island.
It's beautiful.
And they've got the counter and the buffet that goes all the way down.
Tons of storage. Cabinets everywhere. If you like to entertain and you have a lot of appliances and dishes and stuff like that, there's place for everything. I love these floating shelves.
Pretty small fridge, huh?
You can fit a few things in there.
Very nice. I do like how they did this all the way up for the hood and for the backsplash.
Yeah,
it's
nice. Very nice.
Got a separate little prep kitchen back here as well, extra dishwasher. I mean,
it's worthy to take a look at this garage. We don't typically go into garages, but this one is literally never been used. It smells like it's never been used. So you got a 3-car garage, tandem right here, plenty of space for whatever cars you have, and high ceilings actually. So if you're a car enthusiast and you want to get one of those lifts and stuff, you could probably do that in here as well. Should we take the stairs or the elevator?
I'm a stairs kind of guy.
Get those steps in. All right, let's start with the primary, straight ahead. This is gorgeous.
Beautiful, good space, lots of light.
Tons of light.
I think you might get a little view, yeah. You get a view.
Nice fireplace here.
Get a little ocean view access from here, from the bed.
And a reminder that that view is protected, so it's not going anywhere. Good design in here too. The staging looks really nice.
I do like the staging. It's very nice.
Huge primary bath.
It's massive.
Huge. So his and hers closets.
You got 2 closets,
dual
vanity, soaking tub.
Oh yeah.
This is a nice, good sized vanity.
I like the skylight in here too. This home has no shortage of natural light.
And they did a good job with kind of keeping the theme with the finishes and the color schemes all the way throughout, even from the kitchen all the way up through here.
You got the same Calcutta on the wall, just a different texture, so it's glossy, polished. Downstairs here, it's a little bit more of a, I'm not sure, like more of a textured style Calcutta, but they got nice, beautiful designs in the shower. They've also got this design wall here with the floating shelves. Almost feels like a spa.
That's nice.
And these fixtures right here are just very elegant, you know? Not necessarily adding tons of light, but definitely adding character and sophistication.
Let's see what else we got going on here.
Yeah. This is cool day room right here, loft. I'd be here most of the time. It's the living room outside the living room where you can feel cozy, quiet, private. These pocket doors really open things up. So it's completely unobstructed views and ocean breeze. Just beautiful.
Yeah, you get view from here. The natural light and the breeze is amazing out here. I know there's a little rooftop deck action.
Yep, we talked about it, and this is how you get up there. So let's go upstairs and check out the rooftop before we show you the rest of the house. So the attention to detail, these lights along the staircase too, so if you're walking up here at night, you can see your way.
And then you get nice panoramic views over here.
Oh yeah, and then you really get ocean view. You really see it all.
And today's a beautiful day. You get a lot of visibility today too. Catalina's a little hazy, but you get a lot of visibility.
You see the outline.
You see the outline. It's just gorgeous. You even get some really nice neighborhood views too, which you can see this community, which is a very small community. You get, it's got that amazing feel, like very family oriented, small, tight-knit community. You know, it's safe. Location's amazing, which we already went over.
And we talked about the turnover too. I mean, there's 4 properties on the market here and they rarely come up.
Yeah.
So if you can get your foot into this community, most people that buy in here rarely leave.
Right. Yeah.
This is an awesome rooftop deck.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice. I mean, a lot of times it's an afterthought. This is nice that it's actually got some decent space.
And again, this wouldn't be here had they not lowered the pad, which is...
As you can see, all the rooftop lines.
Yeah.
Where we are at. This is the peak of this house, and the way for them to get that was to be able to dig down on a pad, you know, 3 to 5 feet.
And that's not cheap.
No,
that's not cheap. So when people go, oh my gosh, 12.5 million, I can't believe it. There are so many details that the average consumer or buyer isn't considering. Yeah. The cost of building when you go into the ground goes up a lot. All right, let's go see the rest of the place. All right, there's 4 more bedrooms left, right? So there's one right here with a hallway bath that they're using as a gym.
Nice space for a gym.
Yeah, and they got a Peloton, thankfully. It's a critical exercise equipment. And then we've got another bedroom here.
Secondary room here. This one's also ensuite style. Good size secondary rooms all the way throughout. I mean, 6,100 square feet for the property. spread out very nicely. All the rooms feel good.
I agree.
You know?
Ceilings are a good height. Everything, the base molding's really nice. The trim's really nice. The door choice is really nice. The fixtures, they've done a really great job of bringing this all together.
Obviously, everything's a smart home throughout too.
Oh yeah, and we've got 2 more bedrooms up in the front.
Yeah, this is
one's got
another
a
nice
nice
one that's got
Juliet balcony.
Yeah, the Juliet balcony that opens up. You get breeze, you get tons of natural light.
Beautiful views. I'm sure city lights in the evening. And the one thing we didn't talk about is the front landscaping. Very, very nice, simple design, drought tolerant, which is really cool because that's...
Yeah, curb appeal's nice.
Right, let's go check out the last bedroom. Oh, laundry room.
Laundry room on 2nd level, which is good. Elevator access here.
Yeah.
And another secondary bedroom. Again, great space, great size.
Yeah.
Ensuite style, has the Juliet balcony as well with more natural light. I love the dark windows.
They did a great job with this property.
It's an amazing property.
So what do you think, man? That was a pretty spectacular spot.
It was amazing. I think it's an incredible property, well thought out, design, layout, finishes, all great.
Yeah, neighborhood's awesome. Who do you see living here?
I see a family. This neighborhood calls for a family. I mean, you got 6 bedrooms in there. You are definitely having a family with young kids. The neighborhood warrants that, as well as the location. Or even if you have your mom or an elderly living with you, so you got plenty of space for it all.
Absolutely. There's a bedroom downstairs. There's an elevator, so it's very convenient for people that don't like stairs. School-wise, great public schools nearby, great private schools nearby. So all in all, man, this is like a 10 out of 10. This is an awesome property. You guys, thanks so much for following along. If you like what you see, comment below. Let us know what you want more of, because Ryan and I are trying to create content that you guys really want to see and are excited about. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button too.